So my name is Emmanuel Patrick. So I'm currently pursuing my MBA from St. Joseph Degree and PG College. I've done my graduation from St. Joseph Degree and PG College. I've done my intermediate from Little Flower Junior College, and I've done my schooling from St. Patrick's High School. So, and I come from a nuclear family. So, and about me, so I'm a good leader. So why do I tell it? So because I have organized many events in my college. So I've organized the food fest in our college, and I've been a student coordinator in my college. So I used to have members under me to guide, and I used to guide them and work with them. So I'm a good team member too. So I believe in that.
Practice చేయండి మంచిగా right? Okay. So what was my question? Tell me about gases, right? Probably you didn't understand the purpose of my question. My question, and please understand, most of the people, they get rejected only because they don't understand the question and they give unnecessary information. Here the purpose of the question is to know who are you and how are you different from the other person, because no two people are done the same. How are you the best over the other person is what is the crux when it comes to tell about yourselves, right? Most of the people give unnecessary information because like about your education, about everything, it's always there on the resume. I want to know who are you matters to me, and what are you bringing onto the floor, that matters for me, right? And the adjectives like good leader, there is nothing like good or bad leader. You are a leader, that's it, right? There is nothing like true friendship. There's friendship on there, false friendship, true love, false love, అవన్నీ మనం adjectives ఇస్తాం on that. Clear? Right? There are only two feelings, either love or hate, that's it. Leader or no, that's it. Good leader but bad leader, there is nothing like that. Yeah? Don't use those adjectives. Fine? And please understand, when someone is asking you to tell about yourselves, they want you to advertise about your personality. Yeah? You watch TV, you watch advertisements. What do they give in the advertisements? Do they speak about the company or do they speak about the product? Any kind of information or the best information of the product? If that best information is influencing the customer will buy the product. Yes or no? For example, if the advertisement is not up to the mark, will the customer show that keenness towards the product? In the same way, when you are expressing yourselves, when you are advertising yourselves, your customer is nothing but your interviewer. Your interviewer should be happy with your information. Only then he will buy you. Otherwise, he will not going to buy you. Am I clear on it? Since you are MBA graduates, you can understand this concept. If at all there is no proper need analysis about your product, about how you are marketing your product, if you have not done your need analysis and if you are not able to market your product, no one is going to buy you. Please understand that. Yep. So your information matters a lot. So see to that you are giving the right information which will make the customer happy to buy you. Yep. Fine. So if at all I am in your position and the same question is asked, understand how I am going to do my information. People are more interested to know who are you rather than what is there on the resume. Yep. Fine. A very good morning, sir. The first and foremost thing, whenever you are starting your interaction, always start with a wish. Tell your name, tell what are you doing currently, and straight away you need to go into your product information. Yep. A very good morning, sir. I'm Niranjan, currently pursuing my graduation at St. Joseph's. I'm a student who is an astute professional when it comes to planning. At the same time, a strong believer of 3 P's, which is nothing but persistence, perseverance, and perseverance, which will make me a very good team player. At the same time, since I believe in the DNA of learning is a continuous process, I have that zeal to learn new things, which makes me face any kind of challenge. So the way you are marketing yourselves, it should make the other person feel that yes, this is the right person whom I want in my company. Atvanti feeling ivalleru anukondi, just like you, there are thousands of people waiting for that one bloody opportunity. If you are not able to market yourselves, please understand there is tug of war competition, and because of this COVID, you should understand, you should have already understood that the job market is very much volatile. If at all you want to survive, it's all about the Charles Darwin policy. Fight for the fittest. You should be the fittest person. Only then you can come as a successful person. Otherwise, you will be lost in the competition. So it is your time to understand and make yourselves ready for the competition. Because I was talking to Srinivas sir, and Srinivas sir was like, there may be opportunities, maybe very immediately also. But if you are not ready, you will be missing the opportunities. So utilize this time to build up your career, to build up your qualities, so that you are ready to face any kind of challenges. Yeah. So before I give to the other person, let me give you 3 rules which you need to follow from today. Honestly follow them, you will achieve your success. The first rule is, whenever you want to express yourselves, express with confidence. Nothing less than confidence. The other person should feel mesmerized with your confidence levels. Whatever may be the situation, your energy levels should not come down. Always express yourselves with confidence, because you never know who is watching you. Yeah, right? So whenever there is an opportunity, always express yourselves with confidence. And the second thing is, any organization will be looking out for your communication. And how do you think they will test your communication? What do you think is the process of testing your communication? Can anyone? The second rule is, always speak in sentences but not in statements. Don't give those. We have a very bad habit of giving those one word and one line answers. Stop giving those one word and one line answers. Whatever you wish to speak, even it is grammatically incorrect, but still honestly make an attempt to speak in sentences but not in statements. You may ask me, sir, what's the difference between statement and sentence? Let me elaborate my information. What it is, I said I'm a responsible person. I'm a person who is ready to take up the responsibilities and now. I could have simply said, I'm responsible and I pay. But am I doing that? I'm making that information in a sentence. And I also said, who has good information about human relationships and none. I could have simply said, I'm a team player. It's not like that. Don't use statements. Whatever you wish to speak, speak in sentences. Show that keenness to speak to the other person. Don't give those one word and one line answers. That's a very bad habit. When someone speaks to you about communication, they will say there is aggressive communication. Clear? So don't give those one word and one line answers. Always prefer to speak in sentences. Clear? Fine? That's the second rule. And the third rule is, just now I said you need to advertise yourselves and all. So in this particular situation, can I say you are nothing but a salesperson? You are nothing but a salesperson. And what does the salesperson do? Will you speak about the company or will you speak about the product? How? Confidently or on confidence? Confidently. Just visualize the scenario. A salesperson is at your door and is confidently speaking about the product. Are you straight away buying the product? What do you do? You ask your questions regarding the product. You ask your doubts regarding the product. Yes or no? If at all the salesperson is answering those doubts with the same kind of confidence, then only we think of buying the product. Yes or no? For example, the moment you are asking a doubt and if the other person is not able to answer the query, will you buy the product? At the same time, if at all he has lost all his confidence and is not able to express himself, will you buy the product? In the same way, interviewer will always cross-question your information. Just now people said that I am a good leader. So he may ask you, tell me a situation, madam, please stand up. So tell me a situation where you are working in a team and what kind of challenges you have faced while working in a team and how did you overcome it?
So I said I have leadership skills. When I was in degree college, I have planned an event called as Wall Street. In that, I was a coordinator and even I was guiding my friends to do what the do's and the don'ts. So when I was pointing that we have to do this, they were saying, no, this will not work out. So I was facing the challenge that they are not understanding what I am trying to say. These are the challenges that I face, sir. But I have given in a, as I said that we have to not to give the statement. We have to elaborate it. So I have elaborated. I asked my ma'am that I am facing this challenge, ma'am, could you please help? So I have elaborated it, and they understand that yes, it can work, and I'm so surprised that that event goes so well that we won in that event. Thank you.
So the way we support our information, it should create trust in the other person that you have that quality, right? Only when the other person is trusting that you have that quality, only then he is going to buy you. Clear? And please understand, only if you trust the product, you are going to buy the product, right? So in the same way, interviewer will also test your information, and based on how you are supporting your information, the ways you are supporting your information with valid examples and your explanation should create trust in the other person that you have that ability. Ability undi ani anipistene you will be into the process, otherwise you will be out of the process. Yep. Now for example, if at all, the moment I ask that question, if at all she is fumbling with her confidence levels, will I buy her? For example, if at all she was not able to convince me with her information that I have that leadership, am I going to have that trust on her? I'll always doubt her personality, right? The moment I'm doubting the person, will I recruit him or her? No, right? So it all depends on how you are marketing yourselves. The way you are marketing yourselves, it should create information to the other person that yes, this is the kind of person whom I want in my company. So it all depends on how you are expressing yourselves. So if at all you are getting rejected, it is only because of you. Maybe your information was not matching to their expectations. The way you are supporting your information is not matching to their expectations. Yep. So success or failure, it's totally in your hands. Yeah. So see to that you are marketing yourselves in the best way possible, so that you will get your desired results, which is nothing but at this moment of job, at this moment of time, job is one of the topmost priority. So get yourself secured. After that, whatever you wish to do it in your life. Because there's a saying, the bird in hand is always better than two in the bush. Get yourself some security, job security in your hands, then go for your dreams. If you want to go for your higher studies, you want to do something else, you can go for it. But get some security in your hand. It will give you a lot of confidence to go for your dreams. Yep. So with that note, I just want to make you understand that it is not going to be a very smooth path for you. There is tug of war competition. You got to win the competition, and for which your problem solving ability is one of the most important criteria which you need to develop. You are paid to solve the problems of the organization. Yeah. The better your ability, the better you are creating trust in the other person that you can solve the problems, you will be into the process. That's the reason your recruitment process always starts with your problem solving ability, whether you have the problem solving ability or not. It always starts with your aptitude and your reasoning. Yeah. You may be top turunkan in your subject, but if you don't clear your aptitude, you're out of the process. Right? And the second round is your communication round. Even though you're good at problem solving, if you don't know how to express yourselves, you're out of the process. Yeah. Right? Fine. Then comes your technical round, and then comes your HR round. So your subject knowledge will be tested in your third or the fourth round. But primarily, it is all about your problem solving ability. What is the process you are following to solve a problem? Whether you have the ability to solve the problem or not. Only if at all they are convinced, only then you will be getting out of the next round. Yeah, fine. So in that context, we have Santosh, who happens to be one of my lead trainers. So he'll be giving you some kind of overview, because it is very tough to complete the session on aptitude in 1 hour. So he's going to give you an overview of what exactly is aptitude and reasoning, and what kind of topics are dealt in aptitude and reasoning. Here, you can choose any of the topics. He'll take a few examples in the topic, and he'll give you some examples of how to crack those questions. Yep, right? Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Santosh. Now I am associated with Career Con in last 10 years. Okay. Right now I am handling only aptitude part. Okay. What is aptitude? Anyway, what is an aptitude? Right now, any competitive examination conducting aptitude test, what is the main reason behind that? Anybody? Logical testing. Good. Next. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude. Next. Time management. Very good. Here, any competitive examination conducting aptitude test means here checking only student mental ability. The main reason, student mental ability. It means finds all the students proficiency analysis. What is proficiency analysis? It means total 4 parameters again here. Proficiency analysis means find student intelligence. Second one, thinking ability. Next, third one, presence of mind. What about last one, very important? Your time management. Not only aptitude test, any examination in your academic examination also. These are the 4 parameters are very, very important. First of all, your IQ, next one, your thinking ability, next one, the presence of your mind, and time management, very important. Okay guys, very important. These 4 parameters are different again. Okay, example. Next one. Suppose example, like after completion of your graduation examination part. Suppose example, bank examinations. What are the total questions possible here? Minimum 100 questions. What about time duration?
1 hour.
1 hour. 2 hours. Super knowledge. 90 minutes. It means 1.5 hours. Okay, yeah. Next one, suppose example of the completion of your BTech graduation, staff selection commission, SSC or CGL examination. Okay, CGL examination. Maybe possibility 120 or 80 questions possible, depending upon question category. Suppose example 120 means here possibility 100 minutes only. Okay. So depending upon question standard. So any competitive examination part, the allocation of questions and time duration is very less. Now in rest of time using very possibility, using shortcuts very important. So what are the shortcuts? Example. In aptitude part, different modules. So what are the main modules are there in aptitude part? How many modules? Arithmetic, logical, reasoning. No idea. In aptitude part, totally 2 main models. First one is quantitative aptitude. Second one, qualitative aptitude. Reason. Here, quantitative aptitude means here in your 1 to 10th class total mathematics subjects. In your daily using life, mathematics. Okay. What is the main first topic? Yes, very good. Number series, number system. Okay guys, number system. Even, odd, prime, co-prime, rational, irrational, simplification, LCM, LCR, so and so topic here. Next very important topic, percentages. Next one correlation topic, profit and loss. Next one, ratio, proportions, averages. Next one, interest problem. Simple interest, compound interest. Next one, very good. Time, distance, and boards and pipes and systems. Time and distance, time and board, boards and systems, pipes and systems. 4 related topics. Next topics are probability, permutation, combination. These are the main quantitative aptitude. Very, very important. Okay? Next one, reasoning. Again, how many models again? What are the main models in reasoning part? I am asking modules name, not topic names. This is very, very important. Very good. Logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, last one, verbal reasoning. These are the 3 models very important. Now here, logical thinking. In here, quantitative aptitude must at least 1 to 25 tables mandatory. I think 1 to 2 tables perfect all of you. Perfect. Okay. Logical reasoning. No need to formulas, no tables. Thinking process. Logical thinking. Example topic name. Very important. Relations. So first of all, direction important. Direction topic. Again using direction topic. Seating arrangement. These 2 topics are correlation. You have one direction first of all. Any competitive examination in your college, direction important. After relation important. Okay. First relation important. Okay. Next one. Wait here. Puzzles. Next one. Series and sequence. And clocks, calendar, so many topics. Here, series and sequence. Series and sequence is total 5 topics. Series and sequence is total 5 topics. First one, number series. Come on. Number analogy. Next one, letter series, letter analogy. Finally, coding, decoding. Okay. You need to perfect first of all letters important. After number sequence order. Okay guys, suppose example whenever given sequence order 4, 9, 25, 49. What about next number? 4, 9, 25, 49. Next number. Super. 121. Okay. Graduation. Final year. First year. Okay. Any year. Okay. This is sequence order. Prime number sequence order. 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. What about next number? 2, 3, 5 is the next number. 11 square. Prime number sequence order. Perfect all of prime numbers. 1 to 25 total prime numbers. Okay, 1 to 50 at least. Okay, out of syllabus. Out of syllabus. Yes, exactly, out of syllabus. Anybody? Sequence or anybody else? Please raise your hands. 1, 3. Okay, I will explain it. I will explain. Okay, no issue. Okay, here direction, sitting element, derivation, posit, series and sequence, clubs and any topics missing here? Logical. Okay. Here possible odd and out also. Analysis, analogy. Here clear. Now what is called analytical reasoning part? Any competitive examination part, what are the main modules given examination? You need to please thoroughly read all the modules first. Okay. What are the next? Analytical reasoning. Analyze data. What are the topics you analyze? Analyze data. Pie chart, bar chart, graph chart. What are topic name? 9th class, 10th class. Data interpretation. Next one, data sufficiency. Okay, data sufficiency. Statements. 2 statements are given by 1 statement. Conclusions. Okay, 1 idea. Okay. Next one, cubes. Rubik cube. Okay, Rubik cube have how many faces? 6 faces. How many corners? 8 corners. How many edges? How many edges? 12 edges. Okay, very important topic. Last one, syllogisms. It means statement conclusion. All tables are child. Some childs are can. So it's a given condition. Statements are all, some, no. Very important topic. So these are the main module, analytical reasoning part. What about last one? Verbal reasoning. Here mathematical true or false statements and non-verbal reasoning like figure analysis, series problems. Suppose example sequence order given. First direction north pole, second one east pole, next one south pole. What about next diagram answer? West. Okay, figure analysis. Maybe series pattern, maybe odd man node pattern. Different objects are given moving different directions with particular angles, rotation every time. So these are the major total topics. So any government examination part, any government examination part, only these 2 modules important: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and these 2 modules. Suppose example, in your any upcoming any software company like Infosys, CoCubes, Accenture, Wipro, any company. Here majority of cost possibility only quantitative aptitude and analytical reasoning. Data interpretation, data sufficiency, cubes part very important. Here this one also very important, but maximum score topics are quantitative aptitude and analytical reasoning part very important. So whenever we will any competitive examination, first neatly read your notification particularly. After you write, okay guys, without proper idea. Okay, not at this good score. Yes or no? Okay. And one more important. Today you are welcome. Okay. Minimum 1 to 30 square values very important. Okay, 1 to 30 square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to 30. And minimum knowledge 1 to 20 cube values and 1 to 100 prime numbers and 1 to minimum 1 to 20 tables up to your examination. Minimum knowledge. I think almost gradation with minimum 1 to 20 perfect all of you. 1 to 20 perfect squares. And 1 to 10 almost perfect cube values. What about 7 cube value? 340. 9 cube? 729. 11 cube? 130. 12 cube? Come on. Out of syllabus. 1728. 13 cube? 2197. 14 cube? 2197. 2744. Next one 15 cube? 3375. 16 cube? 409. Very important. Okay. And what about prime numbers? Perfect prime numbers? Yes. Almost yes. Anybody perfect? Please please raise your hands. No idea. Come on, start. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Simple method 2, 3, 5, 7 up to 20 perfect. After getting very important. So what about next prime number? 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. What about next prime number? Only one prime number, only 97. I am taking here correlation, these three numbers, 23, 29, 53, 59, 83, 89. 31, 37, double number, 61, 67. One large, small large. No need to buy number, 2, 3, 5, 7. Mistake possible. Correlation, here root base are same, as you can prepare up to 500, very easy. Unit base same, 23, 29, 23, 59, 83, 89, 61, 67, 31, 37, 61, 67. Here one number change. So up to 100 enough. Okay. Recent examination, co-cubes and Accenture examination. Find the average of 1 to 50 prime numbers. Manaku prime numbers average. Possible? Guys, possible? No, out of syllabus question. Yes, sir, out of syllabus again. Okay, one more question. Madam, starting with quantum reasoning. Reasoning. Topic? Yes? Calendar not possible. Unity code possible. Very lengthy possible. Wait. Already done, all of you? Okay, no need to write down. I will explain any one topic. Simple logic method. I am using direction. You know proper idea directions. Maintain silence, please. Not opposite pole. Sorry. Is opposite pole? Yes. My imagination. Upper pole is Not. Lowercase of my right indication is this, left indication is west. Correct answer. Okay. Suppose example, one man is goes to first of all north direction. Here even one of the starting point. He goes to north direction 40 kilometers. Sorry, 40 kilometers. Further he turned to right. Further turned to right in which direction? East. He is moving south to north. Turn to right means east. And he traveled 20 kilometers. Further he turned to left. Whenever one person traveling to east pole, turn to left means north pole. I have examination possible here 30 kilometers. Again, finally he turn again left to turn 20 kilometers. So here starting point, here E means ending point. Find the shortest distance. Anybody answer? Yes or no? So parallel lines here. I am using here parallel lines. Starting point, ending point. Here parallel lines means squares or rectangle parallel sides are equal. Now here 30, here also 30. 40 plus 30, 70 kilometers. Here total how many turnings? 3 turnings. First he turn right side, next he turn left side again 3 turns. 3 turnings diagram very easy. Suppose whenever examination part given 10 turnings, possible? Possible? No. Using shortcut method. Using shortcut method. I am here using example here I am using same direction addition, opposite direction subtraction. Entire topic direction test. Entire. Here total direction topic total 5 types of questions possible. Find the distance and right angle questions, degrees problems and general concept and shadow concepts. Entire 5 types of questions, very important. This is basic topic of seating arrangement, very important. Okay, here I am using shortcut method, same poles, opposite poles. Now first of all, the person travel which direction? North direction. So just write down only. North for how many kilometers? 40. So one north person turn to right means east. How many kilometers? 20. Further he turn to left means north. Again north. How many kilometers? 30. Finally the north person turn left means west. How many kilometers? 20. What is the logic? Same poles are addition, opposite poles are subtraction. Now here east and west are opposite poles. 20 minus 20, value 0. So same poles are addition. So north 40 plus 30, 70. So answer 70 kilometers. What about position? N means position. Starting point to ending point. What about this direction? Direct answer. Any question? Okay? Very useful problem. Just write down direction and values write down. And same poles are addition, opposite poles are subtraction. But right angle not same amount. Okay? I will explain later. Okay? You need to try one more question. Yes or no? Okay, right now? A man travels 6 kilometers to the east direction. A man travels 6 kilometers to the east direction. After he take a right turn. After he take a right turn and covering 5 kilometers and covering 5 kilometers, he again travel east direction 6 kilometers. He again travel east direction? 6 kilometers. Finally, he traveled north direction 10 kilometers. Finally, he traveled north direction 10 kilometers. Question: how far and in which direction from the starting point? Okay, northeast value. First of all, he traveled east direction 6 kilometers, turn to right 5, again turn to east direction 6 kilometers, finally turn to north pole 10 kilometers. So first you need to draw diagram, mama. First diagram important. Yes. Concept. Diagram very important. Second model question, mama. Total 5 models are there. First of all, starting point to ending point. Second model, right angle problem. Here diagram form a right angle. What about right angle formula? Hypotenuse equal to under root of adjacent side square plus opposite side square. 10th class school go. Okay, anybody answer? Wrong. Okay, one of the starting point, a man travel which direction? East 6 kilometers, further turn to right. One east person turn to right means? Okay, south. 5 kilometers. Again we travel which direction? East direction 6 kilometers. Finally we travel which direction? North. North means up. 10 kilometers. Okay guys, 10 kilometers. Most of the diagrams are, I think, 10 kilometers here. Check it out diagrams. This is 5 mm. 10 means double value. So ending point, starting point. Now find the shortest distance. Here form a right angle. Okay, parallel 6. Here parallel 5. Okay, hypotenuse. What about this value? 6 plus 6, 12. Here value 5. Find the hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse equal under root of, I am understanding over here, taking s1 square plus s2 square. Okay, s1 square, s2 square value 12 square plus 5 square under root of 12 square means 144 25. 144 25 means 169. 169 value 13 kilometers. So answer 13 kilometers. Question: how far means 13 kilometers? In which direction? Starting point to ending point. Starting point to, what about this direction? What about this direction? Northeast. So any complete examination form, each question carry how many minutes left? Only minutes or seconds? Only 30 to 40 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds only. So first of all, your diagram 30 seconds. After right angle formula, no squares, no under root values. Again direction. Oh, every time 1.5 minutes. Super. Yes or no? Whenever this type of question using shortcut method, direct answer. Okay. Example, the person travel direction east to 6, south to 5, east to 6, north to 10. Okay guys, same poles are addition, east 12, opposite poles are subtraction. Here north times of opposite poles, greater pole? North. I am taking directly north 5. Here north and east are perpendicular, yes or no? The two values, north and east are perpendicular and south and east are perpendicular, south and west are perpendicular and north and west are perpendicular. Here one letter means find the shortest distance, two letters means right angle problem. Okay guys, now direct answer. Whenever given right angle questions, use a shortcut method. 4 key values are very important, very useful. 99% very useful. Whenever side 1 given, side 2 hypotenuse, direct answer. Whenever side 3 given, side 2 4 given, hypotenuse value 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 25. 25 out of 25 means 5. Very good. Next one 5. Let's complete number 5 12 hypotenuse 13. Super. Next one 7 24 hypotenuse 25. Super. Very good. Next one 8 15 hypotenuse. Simplification important yaar. నేను చెప్పాను కదా 4 5 12 13 24 25 16 అంటే ఏమొస్తుందండి మీకు? సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 8 square 64, 15 square 225. It means value 289. 289 means value 17. అంతేగాని 4 5 వచ్చింది, 12 13 వచ్చింది, 24 25 వచ్చింది అని చెప్తారా? Simplification very important. Addition, subtractions, multiplications very very important. Okay. So only this 4 key values very important. Suppose example in any competitive examination, scalar triangle. Scalar triangle values also same answer. Scalar triangle means entire sides are different using this formula. Not only these 4 values, using factors very important. Example 3 4 5 multiply 2. 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10. One more value or factor 3 3 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 50 up to infinity depending upon your tables. Okay, tables రాకపోతే ఏం చేయలేరు కదా? Yes or no? Tables mandatory. Up to 1 to 20 tables very very important. Please. Okay. Request. Otherwise simplification very problem. They clear all of you. At least today try cheyandi questions. Any app. Only to book up. Okay. Very very easy. Next topic. Hold on. Complete all of you. Okay. Time management. Okay. One simple percentage question. General, no need to write down. Answer please. 1% salary is no need to write down. Okay. 1% salary is 100 rupees. At the beginning of first hour, the salary hikes 10%. Next hour decreasing 10%. What about his effective salary? మీ వెంట జాబ్ ఇస్తే మీరు బిందాస్ ఉంటారు. 1% again listen please. Recent examination question amma recently. Not absolute question. Interview question yaar. 1% salary 100 rupees. At the beginning of first hour, 10% increasing. Next hour, 10% decreasing. What about effective salary? First answer increasing. Second answer decreasing. Third answer no increasing, no loss. Fourth answer none of this. Answer decreasing. 10 వచ్చింది 10 పోయింది. ఓ ఏం లేదు 100 రూపీస్ అంటారు అనుకోండి. ఓ గో అవుట్ సైడ్ అంటారు. మస్తు లేదు 100 rupees. 10% increasing means your salary? Very good. 110 rupees. After 10% decreasing given. In 110 rupees, 10% will mean 11 rupees. What about difference? 110 minus 11? 99. What about your salary? 100 rupees. But after completion of 10%, decrease in 10%, decrease means your salary? Decrease how much? 1%. Okay guys. అంతేగాని వచ్చింది పోయింది ఏమీ లేదనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి మీరు కూడా 47 అంటారు. ఓకే మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. క్వాంటిటీ చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. అది గుడ్. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదమ్మా అంటే క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను. Anybody? If 8 equal 5, 6 equal 3, 4 equal 1. I need to explanation please. 1, 2, 3, 6. I need to explanation. 3. ఇంకా 1 to the 8. Yes, explanation please. 4, answer please. 4 to the 8 minus 4. Why minus 4? Any logic? Applicable next statement also. Next statement 6 equal to 3 possible. 6 to the 12 minus 4 not possible. Your answer? 6 minus 3 is 3. Not correct. Come on, please. Simple question, yaar. Option? Option 2. Explanation? Sir, 3 into 4, 12 minus 4. 1. Explain please, madam.